Hey, Travis here with Stevens Truck Power. Another little tool review for you. I see lots of comments on different forums, stuff as far as N14 goes, about the engine position sensor and how to get it out, or what's the easiest way to get it out, or what socket does it take. So I got one here for you, engine position sensor out of an N14. This is what we use. It is an 11/16, pretty much a line socket, but 11/16. 6-point snap-on 3/8 drive. That'll sneak right in behind the oil pump, under the air compressor, or under the accessory drive. Fits right on, and then you can get your short extension here and get out there with a ratchet and turn it. All you have to do is bust it loose, then you can pull that off and you should be able to spin it out with just the wires like so. But yeah, must have. Keeps you from cutting up a socket, plus it is the right tool for the job. And thirdly, you won't have to take off any other components. This will slip right in there.